Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome if you are new. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. I am going to post the links to their channels in the description box down below so that you can stop by their channels and check out all of the beautiful home decor and more videos that they post. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And I'm also going to post the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 23 so that if any of you out there would like to participate in Tablescape Tuesdays, you can feel free to do so because it's conducted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. When you click on that link, you will be able to see a variety of tablescapes, which will give you ideas, hopefully, and inspiration for creating your own beautiful tablescape. Okay, now listen to this, guys. You see my tablescape? This is for you guys to sit down with your girl and have some coffee, cake, and chit chat. That's what my tablescape is about today. And I thought this is a nice little girlfriend tablescape. And as you can see, I have my vase to the side with my faux florals from Joann's. But my vase to the side is so that I can look across and see who I'm talking to. We can have a nice little conversation without the florals being in the way. But they're so pretty, I just wanted to display them. I picked these faux florals up from Joann's. They were 60% off. And they're different prices. I think some might have been $5.99, $3.99 with 60% off. So, I'm not sure if they have that sale still on. If they do, you might want to swing by there and pick you up some if you have a Joann's near you. Also, last week, I showed in a previous haul that I picked up these leaf bronze placemats from Hobby Lobby. And Hobby Lobby had a sale on for 40% off. So I think I snagged some pretty good bargains, at Joann's and Hobby Lobby. I'm always running around looking for a sale. Now, I believe these little pumpkins came from Target or Target. And then look at this delicious buttery cinnamon swirl cake, which is supposed to be kind of spicy. So me and my bestie over there, we're looking forward to the coffee and cake. This is a nice little table setting to sit down. So sit on down with your girl and let's have a chat. So I'm going to just put some music on and let you guys enjoy this nice tablescape. If you like these types of videos, why don't you consider subscribing? I would love to have you join my channel. It gives me inspiration to keep putting out videos that I think that will give you ideas on tablescapes and home decor. I I do retail walkthroughs so you can look at some of the ideas, some of the products in the stores that may give you ideas of how to decorate your homes. So hey, look, if this is something that you enjoy, subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And please give me a nice thumbs up. Leave me a nice comment. I would really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. It means so much. Hey, look, until the next time, again, thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.